Hi, my name is Ronaldo. The product I've chosen is the Reading Cinemas mobile website. This is what it currently looks like, quite clunky in design, and yeah. Define the problem. So my initial hunch was that users struggled to find session times for a movie at their local reading cinemas due to its clunky user interface. Getting web analytics from SimilarWeb.com. As you can see, compared to Hoyt's, the average visit duration is 2 minutes and 39 seconds, quite low, and the bounce rate being 54.27 seconds, meaning that users are more likely to navigate away after viewing one page. User research. Throughout the user interview process, I used OBS recording software to do the recording. Facebook Messenger call between the user and I, laptop to record the whole process, and the mobile device to test the Reading Cinema mobile website. I only captured the user's face and audio, did not capture how they interacted with the product. It did teach me the importance of an interview guide and question writing. Affinity map created from the notes I've taken from the user interview. So top 3 insights gathered was number 1, users found the mobile website actually easy to navigate through and find session times for their chosen movie due to its simplistic drop-down menu design, as shown on the right. Number 2, lack of visual imagery and movie information when selecting a movie affected users' decision making. It also prevented users from exploring other movie options. As you can see, there is a lack of imagery in the screenshot. Insights. Number 3, users felt deceived and confused at times due to certain menu categories and hierarchy of information conflicting with each other. So when you click on the go on the Coming Soon tab, click on Select Cinemas, it is ordered alphabetically and not by release date. Recommendations moving forward. Inadequate visual imagery affected users' decision-making process to explore other film options. Information and options displayed all in small drop-down boxes made users feel claustrophobic. Drop-down menu lists ordered alphabetically confused users. Throughout the ideation process, I researched other popular movie mobile websites such as Hoyts and Cinemas, and for the sketches, I used the Crazy 8 method to create solutions for each page. So landing page and select movie. Here are some screenshots I took from Hoyts and Village Cinemas. Thought I would add more movie prices and even advertisements as well. Same thing. Select similar, Hoyts and Village Cinemas really quite had the similar design from one another. So I'll follow suit. For the select date and time, I decided to join movie information and select date and time and the whole summary page into one whole page. As you can see, coming soon page is going to be quite similar to the landing page. How I prioritize is what I felt users valued the most from the user interviews I've done. Number 1, again, visual imagery for better engagement. Number 2, clear navigation options and button selections. Number 3, drop-down list menu not ordered alphabetically. 4, spend less scrolling through the given options. And 5, keep it straightforward and simple. Throughout the concept design, this is the paper prototype I created for the landing page compared to what it is currently on the Reading Cinema mobile website. The Select Cinema page, separating the states from the suburbs, and joining the two again into one whole page with select date and time and the confirmation page. Here's this coming soon page that is currently on the Reading Cinemas compared to what I've created now. So the paper prototype, same process. I do need to work on not interrupting and putting words into the user's mouth. So feedback was generally they were quite happy with the new redesign. The added visual imagery increased users' engagement. Users found it convenient having all the movie information located on the website rather than going to a third-party website. and however it does need clearer navigation options and information prioritization. Usability testing and iteration. So I decided to use InVision Studio as I thought it was user-friendly and easy to learn, and it is one of the top wireframing software used in the UX industry right now. Here's the low-fidelity prototype created, going from left to right. User interview for the low-fidelity prototype only interviewed 2 users. Again, I keep making the same mistake, and I need to work on that, which is, again, interrupting and putting words into the user's mouth. Here's the affinity map I created with the notes I've taken from the user interviews. So the insights gathered were: number one, users requested that the movie information should be before selecting date and time. Users were unclear on the navigation options, so as in clicking on logo to go back. Number three, users thought that their rating was correlated with reviews and not the classification of the movie, so they thought that rating in terms of like 3 out of 5 stars, not for mature audience. Recommendations moving forward. Users felt they wanted to know more about the movies first before given the choice of selecting the date and time. Users were unsure how to navigate back and forth between pages with a clear navigation option, and categorizing coming soon films into the months that they are being released to reduce the amount of time scrolled. So with the mid-fidelity prototype, the added features done was again added the home button below the header, so the users can have two navigation options to go back, so logo or home now, and I rearrange the movie information before date and time selection. So you have your movie poster, trailer, and your whole synopsis and other movie information above the select date and time. Also on the coming soon tab, I also created a drop-down menu list so when you click on November, it drops down the films that are coming soon in November, in order by their release date. And if you want to check out other films in the future, so you can click on December, January, and February to see what's coming out then. And that's about it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed.